Because today I have my trusty Caraa backpack with me. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and I thought I'd show you guys how I've been packing to stay. I'm not staying overnight tonight at my boyfriend's house, but usually that is what I do. But I am going to go spend the day with him, but I'm also... It's very hard to have my undivided attention. Let's be real. Like, it's just like, it's not. I'm a busy girl. Like, I really am. I'm sure a lot of you guys are too. So sometimes when it does come to spending time with your significant other or just hanging out with friends, you do like to be a little bit productive or at least have everything with you if the moment strikes. So today I plan on editing this video, you know, what he should be doing. Constantly trying to keep me in his life. But I'll be working. I thought I'd show you guys what I pack in here. This thing is amazing. It has so many compartments. You can wear it so many different ways. I've been wearing it as a backpack. So I have my 2 straps right here. And first things first, it always comes with me, which is like the reason I love this backpack, my laptop. I have the new Macbook Pro 2020 and I am obsessed. I upgraded from a MacBook Air 2014, I believe. So this is a big difference to me. It's amazing. It's so much more powerful. Mine is a 13-inch, so I have the medium, so you might want to get the large, and mine is in the color sand. I'm so obsessed with this color. It goes with everything that I wear, clearly. I already have some of my favorite items in here. I brought Powder Room Rose Scented Deodorizing Fragrance because he just got new sheets, so I thought I would bring him some linen spray, so because I know he likes how everything in my house smells, so I thought I would bring him one, and I have one on my bedside table. And then of course I brought my favorite perfume. This is the Maison Francis Kirk de Jean Paris, and this is the scent a la rose. They have like little minis and I just like to smell good. And then of course moisturizer, just in case I get dry or something, or he's dry. And then I also bring some SPF just in case I want to reapply throughout the day. And then I also brought Zit Cream, just a little tea tree spot treatment from Cativa, just in case he has a pimple or I have pimples right now. So I was like, just in case. And then next, of course, I can't just bring my laptop. That's the one thing about this dang new laptop that I don't like, is like I have so many little thingamajigs and ports and like adapters because you only have 2 plugins, like that's it. So I have my G drive and its adapter, and luckily on the side that is where I put everything. That's kind of like a cord just because it's easy for me and it's nice and padded. So I put my G drive in there. I put phone cords, so I put that in there. I have my water bottle. I love these water bottles. They're from Amazon. I'll link them below. You get 6 I think for like $18, like less than 20 bucks. They're glass and I love them so much. The only thing is they're quite skinny, which I love the aesthetic of, but when it comes to fitting in cup holders and backpack things, they just like don't. But that's what I love so much about this one. Skinny little pouch for it, and then it's adjustable, so if I bring a bigger water bottle one day, it's fine. And then of course I have my AirPods. So my AirPods honestly are one of those things like I can't really like, I can't go like too long without grabbing my AirPods, especially because like my speakers on my phone are like really trash. So that'll go in this little compartment off to the side, this little mesh compartment in the front. So number 1, I can see them, and number 2, I can grab them really quick. And then I also bring deodorant with me. This is my Alley Oop Slow Your Roll. I just like to have deodorant on me because you never know. I live in Texas. It's been 80 degrees in December, so like gotta stay fresh. And then of course I have another adapter because this thing doesn't function without a few thousand adapters. I'm gonna keep that in this little zip in the front, right in front of my laptop so I don't forget it. And then I want to pack light today because I don't know, I'm just not trying to carry around too much stuff with me. I'm really just trying to stay focused on this week and things I need to get done this week. So I'm going to bring my day designer. I love this. This is my hour by hour planner. I'm such a freak. Yes, every day I try to plan out my day hour by hour. So I'm gonna bring this so I can start for the week, because our podcast just restarted this season 3 if you want to check it out. It will be up this Tuesday, but it's just like that extra thing where now I have like 2 to 3 more things that I need to remember that I have to do every week. And then of course we do have some new clients for Black, so I need to make sure that I'm just hitting all my deadlines, as well as starting new training this week. So it's just a busy week for me, a big adjustment. So I'm really relying on my organizational skills to carry me through and get me into a new routine. So that's going to be what kind of just goes in the body of my backpack. Other than that, I'm probably going to have my phone on me, and then I think I left some of my clothes at his house because I was just like, oh, you're a girlfriend, you just leave your shit everywhere. So this is what is so cool about these. I've actually washed these before because I'm just the kind of person that, like, if I put my dirty clothes in there or I put my dirty shoes in there, there's 2, one for your shoes and then one for your dirty clothes. Like, this is such a dream. Like, you have no idea. I'm just so weird about that. I washed them, tumble dried them with like so much other crap, and like these didn't fall out or anything. Like, it came out quite nicely, and I'm really pleased with that, because it's like, I don't know, I would just want that, knowing that like I can just chuck them in the wash, you know, and not have to like air dry them or like spray disinfectant. Maybe back in the day when it was easy to find disinfectant, that's what I would do, but like it ain't that easy anymore. So I'm just gonna fold these up and put them in there, because I know I have some stuff over there that I want back. If I were gonna spend the night, then I would bring a change of clothes and then some sweats, and then of course maybe a little more skincare, but I've slowly been dropping my skincare off there because, you know, I can't be caught without it. No way, no how. Yeah, that's what I pack. So I'm really happy because guys, I can't tell you how many times I've gone through TSA with my laptop, and this dinky backpack, I literally threw it away yesterday, and it just like would barely cover my laptop. I would have to sacrifice how many cords I could bring. Like, no, I don't have that issue. So it makes me really, really happy to feel really put together. You know what I mean? Like, I would just zip this open, take out my laptop, put it in that separate thing, and be done. Like, leave me alone, TSA. Like, they be on my ass. TSA hates me because I be ghetto as shit. I was so, oh my god, like I felt so ghetto before this backpack, I swear to god. But alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I will see you in my next one. Let me know what you guys want to see. I definitely want to do a few more organizational videos and things like that. And I will see you in my next video. I hope this video found you in the best place possible. And if you like it, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Ivana Brooke. I'm about to hit 4K, so I would love if you'd be part of my like 5K below fam. That would be cool, you know. But if we see you at 10K, so be it. If I see you at 12K, 20K, 100K, so be it. I don't care. But you know, it's nice to get in on the ground up. And DM me, like, if you ever just want to talk. I love to talk to you guys and, like, check out your pages. Like, sometimes, like, the people that come from, like, my YouTube and Instagram, all 3 of them are, like, actually so fucking dope. Like, dope-ass chicks and, like, have the coolest Instagram. So I really like to see what you guys are up to and, you know, see what's going on. Alright, I'm gonna head out because he has my coffee waiting for me. I'm lit about it, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.